morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy skies across the area currently. We're also seeing some breezy northeasterly winds. We currently do have a wind advisory in effect. Going to see those winds maintaining at a fairly brisk level throughout the morning into the early afternoon hours, so could see that wind advisory extending until about 13 to 1400 local today, but right now we do have that in effect. Also going to see some improving conditions as far as our precipitation chances go, as well as lightning. Not going to see any chances of those in the forecast the remainder of the day. We did have some showers move through earlier this morning and also had some lightning off the coast earlier this morning. But in general for today, just going to see those breezy conditions continuing through early afternoon with some mostly to partly cloudy skies expected across the area. So looking at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at around 10,000 feet. Winds are fairly strong on low levels. Now the northeast at 25 knots at 1,000 feet, then becoming light between 6 and 12,000 feet. Now the northwest, and then seeing our winds increase only up to 36 knots to the southwest at 25,000 feet this morning. Current surface analysis shows a cold front that moved through last night off the coast. High pressure building in from the Ohio Valley. It's going to continue to move over the northeast states and then build over the region, including the Mid-Atlantic for today into tomorrow. And then we'll see a warm front move through the area for our Friday in advance of our next system that will move through on Saturday with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. So looking at our current satellite imagery, you can see here we have a good amount of cirrus cloudiness as well as some mid-level cloudiness across the region. This morning, going to see that continue to move off the coast with the association with that cold front moving off the coast, and we'll see that filtered sunshine for this afternoon. And taking a quick look at our radar imagery, you can see we do have those showers well off the coast, even some lightning well off the coast over the open waters of the Atlantic, over the Gulf Stream. But here at Wallops, going to see improving conditions, as mentioned, as far as our sky coverage as well as our rainfall chances ending, and we'll just continue to see those breezy northeasterly winds. So taking a look at the European model here for the extended, high pressure over the area today and into tomorrow. So we'll set up a radiational cooling night tonight. That's going to allow us to see temperatures in the mid-40s for overnight lows. Thursday, we'll see temperatures back in the upper 60s to lower 70s across the peninsula. Then for Friday, we'll have a warm front move through the region. High pressure slides off the coast, and that's going to allow us to see slightly warmer conditions on Friday as well as some southerly breezes. So a nice day in store for the end of the work week. As we move into our Saturday, we'll see a area of low pressure moving through the northeast states, and that'll push a cold front through our area for the afternoon and the evening hours. Looks like we'll have a chance of showers and thunderstorms throughout the day on Saturday. Best chance will come during the afternoon and the evening hours with that cold front moving through. And then for Sunday, we'll see a chillier area of high pressure move into the region, and that'll give us temperatures more seasonable for this time of year after we see a warm day on Saturday. And into Monday, we'll see that high pressure build over the region, and then early next week, we'll see that area high pressure slide off the coast. That's going to allow us to see some warm conditions before we possibly see some active weather for the middle to late next week. So looking at our risk chart today, a high of 68 degrees today. Northeasterly winds fairly strong this morning, as I mentioned, gusting up to 27 knots, and we do have it currently in a wind advisory. For our afternoon hours, we'll see a yellow for our winds, gusting up to 24 knots. So could be seeing that, as I mentioned, lasting until about 13 to possibly 1400 local. But I do expect those winds to start to die down once we move in the afternoon hours today. Overnight, we'll see variable winds less than 5 knots. That's going to allow us to see that low around 46 degrees. Our terminal forecast, we're going to see VFR conditions in the next 24 hours. That mid-level cloudiness as well as those rain showers moved off the coast. And we'll continue to see some ceilings around 10 to 12,000 feet throughout the morning hours, and then we should see ceilings up to 25,000 feet thereafter, and then mostly clear skies overnight. Our tides are running normal. Looking at Thursday and Friday, green charts across the board for Thursday and Friday. Thursday, mostly sunny, partly cloudy and pleasant, a high of 69 degrees. Thursday night, partly to mostly cloudy, a very slight chance of low clouds, a low of 51. And for Friday, partly to mostly cloudy and warm, a high of 72 degrees. So the next 7 days, we'll see those temperatures remaining above normal. The next 7 days, we'll see temperatures in the mid to upper 60s across the area for today and tomorrow. Mid 60s right along the coastline, upper 60s here at Wallops, and inland locations we'll see the 70s. For our weekend, we'll see those warmer temperatures on Saturday ahead of that cold front, and then we'll see those showers and thunderstorms likely throughout the day on Saturday. Best chance comes in the afternoon and evening hours. And then, as I mentioned, seeing temperatures a little bit cooler on Sunday, but still average for this time of year, are seasonable, about 67 degrees. Monday into Tuesday, seeing that warming trend into Tuesday, with highs in the upper 70s expected on Tuesday. Well, that's complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.